Hi and welcome to this year's One Room Challenge. So as you know, our house is completely under construction as we renovate and do our huge mammoth Queenslander renovation. So what I'm going to do this season is I'm going to be renovating my parents' bathroom. So we're going to be redesigning it and renovating it, and so it's perfect for them. It's a guest bathroom. Should we go and check it out? So you will notice that the one thing missing in this bathroom is the toilet. That's right, guys. This is part of the reason this bathroom does not function well for my family. And so when guests come to stay, they need to go to a separate toilet and then use this as basically a shower room. So what we're wanting to achieve is to basically renovate this. So we have a beautiful shower, we have a toilet integrated within the bathroom, and then have a nice vanity area just basically to be enjoyed by guests when they come to stay. So as you notice, we've also taken the door already off because we are going to be replacing that as well. Now this house, as you know, if you followed along with our last One Room Challenge, is over 100 years old. It's a beautiful Queenslander. It has loads of character, including these VJs in the bathroom you'll see here, and these gorgeous wooden floors throughout. Now, we will be tiling the bathroom, but we also want to make sure that we're being sensitive to the age of the property as we go about redesigning this. And as you know, my mum has great taste, so we should end up with an absolutely stunning bathroom at the end of this one room challenge. So I can't wait to take you through the process. Stay tuned for the next update. And as always, happy designing, and I can't wait to see you in the next episode of One Room Challenge.